Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to convert an SVG file into a JPG file or a PNG file, for example. So it's very easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. So I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to type SVG to PNG because my file is actually a PNG file. So I'm going to go to the first one right here. This is a pretty good website, the SVG to PNG.com. So then you can actually drop the files here. You just can do upload file here. And now I have an image prepared, as you can see right here. It's an SVG file. So I'm going to click on it. As you can see, it's converting right here. And so it's basically the logo of GIMP. And here, as you can see, I also have different options in case you can do actually the opposite as well. PNG to SVG, SVG to JPG. So you have plenty of other options. And basically, if you have multiple ones, you can do download all here. Or if you have simply one like me, I just can do download. As you can see, it will go up in the right corner here. So what you can do then is show in folder. And as you can see, it will be here in downloads. Our image is right here. Now it is of course transparent, as you can see. And then so if I want to, for example, place it on a blank canvas here in Photoshop, I can simply do file, place linked. And as you can see, the image is right here, the PNG version. I'm gonna click it. And as you can see, I can simply place it like this without any problem. But anyways, guys, as you can see, it's as easy as that. That's how you can convert an SVG to PNG in this case. Or as I said, a SVG to JPG. Any case, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave a like, it would be really nice. Subscribe, it's also really nice. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.